Hi, my name is Kristen Jones, and this is task number 17, fecal sedimentation. I'm starting off today with 2 grams of feces that I measured out in my little boat, and I'm going to add some tap water to that and mix it up. Get it good and mixed. Okay. All right, it's pretty well mixed. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this little piece of cheesecloth, and I'm going to strain my liquid through the cheesecloth into my tube. Actually, go this way. Getting kind of caught up there. I need to still have more to strain out. My cloth is getting a little bit mucked up. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I've got about a half tube full. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make sure that my centrifuge is balanced, and I'm going to run this sample for 3 to 5 minutes on 1300. Got my counterbalance and my sample. Now, as you can see, I'm going to run that on 1300 RPMs. See, I've got that right there, 1300. It says it's going to run for 10 minutes. That's our preset that we have. I'm actually watching my watch, the clock. I'm going to only run it for 3 to 5. So we're going to go ahead and start that off for 3 to 5 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, our centrifuge is finished running. I ran it for 4 minutes on 1300 RPMs. And now I'm going to go ahead and remove my counterbalance and my sample. So you can see we've got some nice sediment down there at the bottom. And I'm going to move the camera. We're going to come over here by the sink and by the microscope. Okay. Trying not to disturb the sediment, excuse me, I'm going to pour off the liquid on the top. Okay, so you can see just the sediment is left. I have a clean microscope slide and a pipette. I'm going to take up some of this sediment and put it onto the slide. Ooh, my pipette is not long enough to get down to the bottom of my tube. I'm gonna have to find a longer pipette. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that, I'm back. I have a longer pipette now. I'll get some sediment here. And I'm going to put it on my slide. And I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to cover that with a cover slip. So I've got my sample on the slide with the cover slip. I'm going to go ahead and put it under the microscope and take a look. Turning up to my 10 times objective. So I'm not noticing any ova or any parasites in the sample. I didn't really expect to, because this is a sample from the same animal that I did the direct fecal smear on, and we didn't find any ova in that sample either, so I didn't expect to really find one here, but I'm going to mark that down in the chart. Got my nursing note. I'm going to go ahead and put that I did a fecal sedimentation and that the results were negative. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add this to the patient's chart, and I'm going to clean up my area. Throw these away. Just putting everything away that I'd gotten out for this task. Going to throw away my cheesecloth and my sample. And that's it. That concludes, well, I'm going to wipe down the area as well, but that concludes task number 17, fecal sedimentation. Thanks.